Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make diya for Deepavali. So, this is a sample for you guys to see how our diya will be. So, I am going to take the same amount of clay here. So now, I need a color pencil. I have took a color pencil. You can take a normal pencil too. Just a pencil, that's it. So you may be wondering that why I need color pencil or pencil. So you can see these dots over here. I have done these dots with this pencil only. So you need this color pencil for design and modeling. So now let's start with our diya. You need to take little by little of clay and you need to soften it. So, and you need to keep adding the same amount now. So I have softened this clay. Now I'm going to squish this clay a bit and I'm going to roll it like a circle. And it's not mandatory to get a perfect circle. You need to just get one type of a circle. Like this, if it's like this also, no problem. Now you just take a thumb and press it in the middle. Now you just make it as thin as you want, like a plate, but it will not shape as a plate. Now is like this, and now I'm going to do this. Because it was like a plate and I just turned it into this shape. Now this is, you can see these cracks over here. Now I'm going to smooth these things out, and you need to do these parts as thin as you can. So now this thin is enough. Now attach and smooth it. So guys, if you want to lighten it in Deepavali, you need to take natural clay. Because natural clay, we can harden this thing and smooth this thing very easily. Harden, we need to just keep it like this and rest it for some time and it will get hardened. And smoothing, you just take water and smooth it out. So now we have done smoothing here also a bit. Now done. So you might get a circle like this. Don't be sad if you didn't get a circle. You obviously need to do this part, this. So you just need to pinch it a bit like this. You will get that shape, and you will get a bit cracked with the clay. You just smooth it out like this. And if you didn't try this, please use normal clay with any color. And if you already tried this, you can go on with natural clay. Now we are going to do this part. If you do this, you will get as a light a bit of square thing. See? Now I'm going to continue with my work. So I have done smoothing these parts, and now we have to smooth inside parts, and I have already smoothed it. Now to the back side part, you may get these cracked parts like this. You need to just smoothen it with your hand. Now and you might be wondering that this sample is different than this thing. Yes, because this is just a sample to show you guys how I am going to make this diya. So I have done smoothing here, and now let's go on with designing. So the first thing, take your pencil and do dots like this above the square. See, I have done this in the sample. So let me do it. So I have done to do these dots. Now I'm going to, so I'm doing the backside work now. So take the pencil and do a medium circle like this. And you need to do this circle because you can keep your diya perfectly, and it will get a type of spear shape here. So that will help your diya to stand neatly. Now just poke a hole in the middle. So this is the end of our diya, and I didn't do designs here and all. You can do any design you like, and the natural clay is a bit harder when you take it, and you can smoothen it out with using hand and water. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, share and comment, and click the bell icon so if you don't miss new of our uploaded videos. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want more things like Ganesha or any other things, please comment below, or you can even comment for any other videos also. Bye guys, see you in the next video.